or driving my ass home. Should I sit alone? Should I pick up the phone? Wanting to rewind and planning my next mistake. That's where I'm living these days. That's where I'm living these days. I'm stuck in between holding you tight and being glad you're gone. Seeing memories in the neon lights and trying to move on. I'm right on the line of loving goodbye and texting you after 2. Yeah, I'm stuck in the middle of loving and hating you. Wondering if you care, not giving a damn. Do you think about me? Do you got a new man? Are you glad I left? Do you wish I stayed? That's where I'm living these days. I'm stuck in between holding you tight and being glad you're gone. Seeing memories in the neon lights and trying to move on. I'm right on the line of loving goodbye and texting you after 2. Yeah, I'm stuck in the middle of loving and hating you. Loving and hating you. Wanting anyone else, wanting no one else but you. I'm stuck in between holding you tight and being glad you're gone. Seeing memories in the neon lights and trying to move on. I'm right on the line of loving goodbye and texting you after 2. Yeah,